Are you dealing with dryness, breakage, or you just want to add a healthy herbal routine to your hair care? Then this Ayurvedic hair tea is a perfect option. It is made with the powerful herbal ingredients like fenugreek, rosemary, black seed, cloves. Like these ingredients have so much benefits for the hair. All you have to do is put it in your pot, add water, boil it, and after doing that, you strain the water, and then you can decide to add your preservative or essential oil for scents. Now, the benefits of these ingredients are actually numerous. They will help with hair growth, they will help to prevent breakage, they will help to soften your hair, strengthen your hair strands, and improve the overall health of your hair. So would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel for more DIY recipes like this. Toodles.